Howdy folks, this is another quick iTunes tutorial talking about playlists. This comes in handy, especially if you have like an Apple TV device that you home share, stream stuff to your TV. If you have a lot of movies, as you can see I have 969 movies. When I'm watching something from my Apple TV, scrolling through all 900 of these movies can be tedious. My original idea was to divide everything up into the genres that iTunes has, which is fine, but a lot of movies fall into different genres. And unfortunately, in iTunes, you can only set one genre. You can only set one genre here. But using this comments field, we can set up smart playlists. And to make a new smart playlist, you want to press Control Command N, or you can go up to File and do it. And we have to set it up here. We're going to work with movies right now, so we want to change this to media kind and change it to movie. Then you add a field, and then you want to go to comments, and then you can set whatever comments you want. I already pretty much have mine all listed, but I'll put another one in here, just fantasy. And I like to have the little icons now. As you can see, it automatically populated movies. Any movie I put in the comments to be sci-fi and fantasy, it looks for the comments and it will see fantasy. Adds to the smart playlist. I like the smart playlist because, again, when I'm watching stuff through the Apple TV and home sharing, it would only play one item and then go back to the menu. With the playlist, it actually plays the next item. So I could be laying in bed, watching a movie, fall asleep, and the next movie will automatically play, which was what I wanted to have, my own reasons. And you can do that with movies, TV shows you can do. As you can see, I have each season of some of my TV shows I have in here with their own playlist. Highlander, the first season, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Smallville, all 10 seasons. Has its own. And as you can see, sci-fi and fantasy has that combined smart playlist, but I can divide that up further. Change this to media kind like we just did. Movie, add, comments, and then set it to be sci-fi. And every movie I've put sci-fi in as in the comments will show up. With the TV shows, it's pretty much the same thing. We'll edit this one so you can see. Media kind of set to TV show, and then the album. I used it for that one because the album of the show will be the show title and then whatever season it is. But of course, you can play around with it with all the fields that you can set. Yeah, that's smart playlists in iTunes.